Hi, my name's Dave, and I want to thank you for taking 4 minutes out of your busy day to watch this quick video presentation that I've put together for you. I know you're going to be happy that you did. I'm a social and mobile media specialist. I help realtors just like you increase the effectiveness of their existing ad copy by incorporating social and mobile media. I do things like Facebook fan pages, YouTube channels, mobile websites, and mobile apps. And with all of that said, what I'm about to show you is going to be about none of that. Simply said, this will be the most effective marketing you've ever used to sell homes, as well as being the most inexpensive marketing you've ever done, period. I can practically guarantee it. Now, I've clipped an ad out of a local magazine, and I've taken the liberty of marking up this ad by adding a couple of things. I've added this line across the top: take a virtual tour on your cell phone, text the photo number to this phone number, and I've added a photo number to each listing. It doesn't cost us much ad space, and what it does is it takes our existing dead print advertising and converts it into high-gravity, customer interactive ad copy. Now, we can also do the same thing with your typical yard sign. You see, we've added a header to the yard sign here with a QR code and text tour 1 to our phone number. Now, this is the way the system works. Somebody's looking at this advertisement in the property shopper or the newspaper or wherever the ad may be, or they're driving past the home and they see the sign and they want more information. What they do is they text in this case, 126, to this phone number. They instantly receive a text message response with a link to a virtual tour or a link to your website or a link to whatever you would like that gives them more information about the home. Now, here's the most powerful part of the system. On top of that, you as the realtor also receive an instant notification via text, email, or phone call, or a combination thereof, that tells you somebody is looking at picture number 126 and here's their cell phone number. You now know what property they're looking at, you know what ad they're looking at, you know what time they're looking at it, and you know their cell phone number. Extremely effective lead capture. On top of that, we're also going to be adding them to a text list. So now when we have a new short sale or a new financing package or another property that we think may meet the qualifications of our list, we can broadcast that out. We've created dedicated software to support this that operates right from your mobile phone or tablet. It's very, very simple, yet extremely robust. Let's say you're out showing a home and you simply want, and your potential customer says, well, can you send me more information about this home? Absolutely, I can. I'm simply going to click Send Info right from my mobile device, and I'm going to pick a tour or information page that I've preset up in my back office, enter their phone number, and click Send. Now I've sent them their information, and I've entered their cell phone number right onto my list, into my database, so I've captured that lead. We can also simply add names and numbers right from this page. We start by asking them for their phone number, we enter that, and then upon them receiving the welcome text, there's an opportunity for them to provide a name, and that gets linked to their phone number. So now we have their name and their phone number on our list. We can also do a send SMS, where we can simply send an SMS or text message out to our entire list. Very, very simple, yet very robust. No complicated systems, no complicated software. It operates right from your mobile device, so you have it with you all the time. Another really cool thing that we can do is we can put together a link to a V card, which is a virtual business card that contains all of your contact information. We can set that up in our Send Info tab and select that. We would have it in here as vCard or whatever, and send that to their phone number. Upon clicking on that link, all of your contact information will immediately be written onto their cell phone. We can also pick one random winner from our list, and we can talk about the reasons for that. We've developed a very, very unique system for realtors that uses the Pick a Winner tab, and we'd love to talk more about that. Again, I appreciate you taking just a few minutes out of your day to let me present you with this amazing opportunity. We're going to be working with a handful of realtors in your area. It is not our intention to mass distribute this software and this technology. It's going to be on a first-come, first-served basis, so you want to call us back right away. And you can see the number right here on the screen, and there's a button right below this video as well. Again, my name's Dave, and I appreciate you taking 4 minutes out of your day to watch this presentation. I know if you give us a call and give us an opportunity to prove to you how powerful this system is, you'll be hooked. We're using this system with other realtors across the nation with tremendous results. It is simply said the most effective lead capture and the most effective marketing you can do, and it's going to be the most inexpensive marketing you've ever done by a long shot as well. My name's Dave. Thank you for your time. I'll hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.